Hi everyone, I'm Mike Hengy, and if you're planning on buying your first home this year, this is your roadmap. No jargon, no judgment, no confusing language, just a clear step-by-step plan that takes you from where do I start all the way to getting the keys. Buying your first home shouldn't feel scary, and with the right timeline and a few simple habits, it becomes more doable than you think. So let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Most first-time homebuyers make the mistake of actually starting on Zillow. Don't worry, we've all done it. But the real starting point is your numbers. 3 simple pieces. 1, your comfort payment. This is the number that matters more than your approval amount. Not how much will the bank lend me, but what monthly payment feels good in my real life. Your comfort payment becomes your anchor. Everything else gets built around it. Number 2, your credit snapshot. Not perfect credit, just your real credit. And the truth is, most people's credit is better than they think. Small improvements over a year can lower your payment, your rate, and your mortgage insurance. Number 3, your savings plan. This isn't about saving 20%, it's about your down payment could be 3 to 5%, closing costs could be 2 to 5% of the price, move-in expenses, and a small emergency cushion. You don't need to have all this saved today, but knowing the targets early gives you some control. Next up, get pre-approved early. Not next week, not when the time feels right, early. A good pre-approval gives you power, direction, and confidence. Here's what happens during the pre-approval. We look at your income, we review your credit, we verify your savings, we map out your comfort payment, and we show you what price range matches your budget. A real pre-approval, not a quick calculator, gives you the truth of what you can afford. And here's the good news. You don't need perfection, you just need clarity. Once you're pre-approved, the fun begins. House shopping. But here's how to do it strategically. First, build your A-team. You need a great real estate agent, a great lender, and if needed, an insurance advisor. These people fight for you, educate you, and protect you. The second is know your non-negotiables. Create simple lists, must-haves, nice-to-haves, and deal breakers. This keeps you from emotional overspending. It also keeps you focused on showings so you don't get dazzled by beautiful countertops and forget that you didn't want a 45-minute commute. The third, understand the payment, not just the price. This is where most buyers get tripped up. 2 houses at the same price can have different monthly payments based on taxes, insurance, HOA fees, loan type, and interest rate. The payment matters more than the price, always. When you find the right home, your offer is your strategy playbook. A strong offer is not just about price. It includes your pre-approval strength, your timeline, your down payment, your earnest money, your contingencies, and how clean and clear the contract is. A great agent plus a great lender equals a competitive offer, no matter how tough the market is. Remember, you're not negotiating alone, you have a team. Once you're under contract, this is where people get nervous, but it's actually a structured process. Here's what happens. First, your home inspection. This protects you. You're not looking for perfection, you're looking for major issues and things you can plan for. The second is your appraisal. This confirms that the home's worth what you're paying. The third is final loan approval. We verify your documents, finalize your terms, and issue your clear to close. The fourth is closing day. You sign, you get your keys, and your life actually changes. Here's the truth. Buying a home in 2026 is absolutely within reach. You're not too far behind, you're not too late, and you're not unprepared. You just need a clear plan. And now you have one. So if you want help building your personal roadmap, your comfort payment, your pre-approval, your budget, your timeline, just reach out. I'm here to guide you through the entire process, step by step, in plain English. Let's make homeownership simple, and let's get you ready for 2026.